At the New York City headquarters of Clifford Chance, a global law firm, a sweeping sculptural terrazzo stairway brings elegance and clarity to the top 4 levels of the 43-story high-rise. Skilled craftsmanship is evident in every radius and transition, including the careful integration of curved 1/8-inch divider strips that organize directional flow and reinforce the stair's sculptural presence. The installation centers on a poured-in-place epoxy micro-blend stair platform with an integrated bench, paired with a circular precast stair that introduces a continuous, refined geometry. Poured-in-place treads, risers, landings, and seating create a unified composition, demonstrating how terrazzo can shape space rather than simply surface it. Executed in 8 weeks, the installation demanded a high level of technical discipline across interconnected vertical and horizontal elements, achieving the exceptionally crisp curvature and consistent detailing required by the design concept. Judges praised the refined integration of lighting and surrounding finishes and the quiet sophistication the stair brings to the workplace, an elegant solution that elevates function into architectural expression. This distinguished project is the work of Zonca, Terrazzo, and Mosaic of Armonk, New York.